What is 8 divided by negative 2 over 5? So let's first write this operation. We have 8 divided by negative 2 over 5. First, we have to calculate the sign. We have positive number. When we don't have any sign, it's positive. Divide by negative. When we divide positive by negative, or negative by positive, or we multiply positive and negative, negative, positive, the answer is always negative. So it will be negative sign, and we have to divide 8 by 2 over 5 because we have fraction. So I will change 8 to fraction also. So we copy negative side. 8, we can write that this is 8 over 1. And what else? When we divide, let me maybe copy this one more time, 2 over 5. We can write in parentheses. So this is equal negative sign, we copy. And now when we have division of two fractions, we copy first fraction, we change division sign to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 2 over 5, so it will be 5 over 2. So this is equal. Negative sign we have to copy. Can write this in parentheses or don't, how we want. And now first we have to check if we can reduce something. We reduce numerator with denominator. It means we have to divide. When we reduce, we divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. 8 and 2 we have. We can reduce by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 2 divided by 2 would be 1. So now it will be easier to do multiplication of fractions. We multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. 4 times 5 is 20. 1 times 1 is 1. So this is equal. Negative sign we copy. 20 divided by 1 is 20. This is my solution. Cos negative 20.